Hello, this is Bakhtabar Mahmood and you're watching The Now. Yasin Malik on hunger strike against the unjust investigation and ill treatment by the Indian agencies. Famous Kashmiri leader Yasin Malik has gone on a hunger strike. Kashmiri separatist leader Yasin Malik, currently incarcerated in cell number 7 of the Tihar jail, has opted for a hunger strike as a protest against the ill treatment by the Indian agencies. Yasin Malik was sentenced to life imprisonment and falls of having involved in the anti-state activities. As per the sources, Yasin Malik has said that his case is not being investigated properly. Malik is being subjected to harsh treatment in the prison. Malik is kept isolated and separate from the outside world. There are 13,000 inmates in the same jail. However, Yasin Malik is kept alone. Yasin Malik is currently serving 2 life sentences and 5 punishments of 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. Rigorous imprisonment means the subjection of a prisoner to intense hardships in the jail. Such harsh and inhumane treatment of Yasin Malik by the Indian authorities has further deepened the sense of hatred and contempt towards the India among Kashmiri Muslims. Muslims in the Indian-occupied Kashmir are looking towards the United Nations Human Rights Commission and other multilateral forums for the release of Yasin Malik and also for the ultimate freedom of the Indian-occupied Kashmir.